Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ramesh and I'm here to teach you some coding stuff. First of all, sorry for this delay. It has been long gap between my last video and this video. So hopefully I will continue to be consistent as I was busy in my work, so I was unable to create some videos. So let's jump back. Where were we? So we are having four color codes, which is the theme of our web app, and we have zero directory, zero folder in which our code in one is residing for one.html. So to start this in code, we will open it in terminal and write code dot space dot code space dot and press enter. It will open it in VS Code. Now what we have? We having a first page title, and we are having three nav items and one logo and three sections. So let's open it in live server. So to open it in live server, we will right click on it here and open it with live server. It will open it in port 5500. So as server has started on port 5500, what we can do, we can go to our browser and we can type our local address here 127.0.0.1:5500. So we will see here the directories 1 and 2 which we have created. So we need to go in 1, and in 1 we will click on 1.html. So this was the page. So now our second aim is to make this navbar sticky. So as this navbar is going up and hidden behind this top browser, so what we will do, we will make this navbar sticky. To make this navbar sticky, we need to go to navbar class, which is defined in one.css, and in navbar class we need to give position sticky and we will give top 0. Save it. Now go back to your browser and you will see our navbar has become sticky. It is residing at top 0. Now let's remove this colors, all the colors we need to remove. Let's remove this color here, and this is our theme color, so we will not remove. Nav item color, it's okay, it is our theme color. Now background color of section 1, we will remove it and we will give border 1 pixel solid black. Similarly for this section 2, and similarly for section 3. You are seeing some suggestions are coming in my VS Code. I will explain it later how it is coming. Now as we have removed our colors, it is white again with border here. Let's go back to code, and in code we will now create two half div inside section 1, section 2 and section 3 with color. Let's go back to section 1 and let's create a div here with class left and another left content we can create, and another one div here with the right content. And to make this div a visible content, we need to go to CSS and give left content and right content a style. So left content width will be 50%, height will be 100%. Similarly for right content, width will be 50% and height will be 50%. Now we need to give this section 1 another CSS property. For first of all, let's give color here, background color background color to be light blue and here background color to be light green. So go back to your page and you can see two divs are here, but it is not as what we want. We wanted it side by side. To make this side by side, we will go to section 1 and give display flex and flex direction to be pro. Save it, go back to your browser and you can see now two divs are side by side. Now let's add some text here. So this is not as per our theme, so we will change in colors as per our theme. For left content, let me give a h1 tag here. Welcome to my first page. This is our first page of our website. Feel free to explore the below sections. So this is what we have added. And now in right hand side we will add an image tag. For now just add an empty image tag. We will add image here. So now refresh it and go back, save it and go back. You can see the data is coming here, but it is not looking good. Welcome to my first page should be in center. To make it in center, what we will do, we will make left content style to be text align center. Now save it and go. Here it is. Now we want it to be at the center of our this page. So what we will do, we will say display flex justify content center. Save it, go back here, but this is flex direction we need to give because it is taking flex direction should be column. Save it, go back here. Now you can see it is in center. Now we want to add an image here. So to get a free image, go to PNG tree. PNG tree is a source where you can find free images. And now add here study. If you add study here, lots of study related images will pop up here. Until it is rendering, let's add this free image here. We will download it, free download. You need to log in here, so let me log in here. I have logged in here. Now I am downloading the image here. So I am using free plan relax download. It is taking some time, nearly 15 seconds. Here it comes. Let's save it. Now it has been downloaded. Now what we will go to the downloads and double click it to see the images. So this is our image. So now what we will do, we will copy it and go to desktop, and in our 0 inside our 1 we will paste it. I think copy didn't took place. We can do copy and we can go to desktop and we can paste it in 1. So it has been copied. Let's rename it. Let's rename it to study. Now what we will do, we will go back to code. We can see study.png here. In 1.html, in right container we will give src study.png. And now what we will do, we will give alternative text study save it Now what we will do, we will go back to our browser, and now in our first page image is very large. As you can see, it is very large, but it is in full HD. So what we will do, we will give it height and width. Height 300 pixel and width also 300 pixels. Save it. Now go back again. It's very small now. Let's make it 500 and 500, or 450 should be fine. 450, 450. Save it. Go back here. It's now good. Now go back to our right content. Let's make it center again. In right content, we will go here. We will give display or flex, justify content, center, align item center. Save it. Go back here. It is in center. Now give it a color code, which is the lightest one, the second, the last one. Background color will be changed back to this and back to this. Save it. Go back to browser. Now you can see. Now let's change the text here. Or it is fine for now. Let's little bit toggle the text. Welcome to first. This is first page of our website. This is just for learning purpose. Save it. So this is our first section. Similarly, we will create section 2 and section 3. Let's jump to the code. Copy the whole content, left content here, paste it inside the section 2, and the right content also, paste it inside section 2. Similarly, left and right both content, copy and paste it in section 3. Save it. Go back to your browser. Now what needs to be done? We have in style section 2 and section 3. Both the section needs to be styled with display flex and flex direction row. Save it. When you come here, you can see all the 3 pages are like this. So now what we need to do is customize the text and images of these pages and change little bit colors here. Go back to code. So go to the home page. This is home. This is our welcome to home page. And now this is our first page of website. This is just for learning purpose. Image is fine. Welcome to about. Welcome to the about page. This page. Okay, so we will change this. Page is created to learn below technologies. Create colon. Now we will add here list item. So we will give ordered list here. OL stand for ordered list, and we will give list item. HTML, CSS, JavaScript 3. Okay. Now go back to the welcome to the contact page. This, and now we will change this contact us for contact us on below email for web design. So we will give email here. So we will add bold tag here, email, and we will give email of our so I have given email here. Now we need to change images. Let's first check out what is the, so this is contact on us on below for web designing. Email is coming perfectly, so this needs to be corrected. This ordered list item is going very far, so what we can do for now, we can give dash instead of, or we can give let me think. So what we can do here, we can give this oil a class, we can say tech list, and we can go there and put tech list and we can give list style position inside and save it and go back to your browser. Now it is coming like this. So now let's change the color of first and third. So let's pick the little darker color for first and third. So go back to section 1 and here is okay. So let's change this section 1 color, background color to this, and section 3 color, background color to this, and this will go inside section 2 like this. Right will be deleted. Now save it and go back to browser. So it is like this. Now let's delete the border. We don't need border now. Delete every border we have of black color. Save it, go back to browser. Now what we need to do, we need to change the images. So go back to tiny image again, tree png tree, and now search for about. When you search for about, you will get lots of things. Select one free one, and now press this, where is, okay, close this, download png, okay, continue downloading, relax download, okay, it is saying in 13 seconds. Save it. Now as we have only 2 credits left for this png, we will download third image from Google. Contact png free download, we can search what we will get. png tree we have already used. Top png, let's go to top png and let's search for contact and search like this one or this one. Contact us is good. Click on contact us. Now click on download. It is saying I am not robot, a captcha. Select the motorcycles or whatever questions you got. Next, select motorcycles, verify. Now image is saved it. Now go back to your downloads folder and select the other 2 images, copy it and go back to your desktop, wherever your code is existing, go and paste it there. Now change the text, contact, and now change the text, about. Now go back to your code. Inside the 1.html, instead of studying.png, we will say about.png, and instead of study.png, in third section we will say contact.png, height and width are already defined. Go back to your first page. So this is how it contact us is not looking good. What we will do, we will decrease the size here. Instead of 450 we will say 250 height, or we can say 150 height, and width is 350. Save it. Now it is looking good. So this is how we created our first web page. Now in next part we will cover how to design the footer and how to make it responsive so it will work on both desktop and in phone. That's all for today. Have a nice day. Bye bye.